Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course, Planning and Managing Device and Application Compliance in Microsoft 365. I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm also an MCT for 22 consecutive years, MCT being a Microsoft Certified Trainer, so I've got lots of training under my belt. I'm an author of 4 published Microsoft books. I'm a speaker at several SharePoint and Microsoft 365 conferences around the world, and I'm a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. Microsoft 365 offers a suite of products and services that are available from several types of devices running Android, iOS, and Windows operating systems. It's important that we ensure these devices and the applications running on these devices meet the compliance requirements of your organization. Because of the numerous device configurations and applications, it's important to perform in-depth planning to ensure these devices and the applications are being accessed and used as defined by your organization. In this course, we are going to introduce, explore, and discuss the tools used to ensure device compliance, securing and monitoring Microsoft 365 devices, as well as the use and implementation of conditional access policies. By the end of the course, you'll know what needs to be carefully considered to successfully plan for the deployment and management of devices and applications used to access your Microsoft 365 content. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with your organization's planning policies, have a general understanding of the types of devices being used in your organization, as well as the applications accessed by these devices. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Microsoft 365 device and application compliance planning with my Planning and Managing Device and Application Compliance in Microsoft 365 course available here at Pluralsight.